I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pork lumpiang Shanghai. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground pork, finely chopped carrots, and minced garlic. Don't forget 1 small onion, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for that savory base. A teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 cup of chopped green onions will add a fresh kick. Finally, have about 30 spring roll wrappers ready for assembly. Now let's create the delicious filling. In a large bowl, combine your 1 pound of ground pork with the finely chopped carrots, minced garlic, and small onion. Add the 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. Next, crack in 1 egg, pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything together really well until all ingredients are evenly distributed and the mixture is uniform. Rolling the lumpia is a key step for that perfect crispy bite. Take 1 spring roll wrapper and lay it flat. Place about 1 tablespoon of your pork filling near one corner. Fold that corner over the filling, then fold in the 2 side corners. Now, roll the wrapper tightly away from you, creating a neat, compact cylinder. Use a little water or egg wash on the final edge to seal it securely. Finally, it's time to fry your delicious lumpia. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few lumpia rolls into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove and drain on a wire rack. Serve these hot, crispy treats with a sweet chili sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.